Hi everyone, I welcome you all to Clip and Grow Bonsai India. So today we are going to tackle this orchid tree. Uh, as you can see that it has grown a lot and it is becoming leggy and difficult for me to manage this tree on my balcony. So I will be pruning it back, bringing it up to shape, and yeah. So this tree was root pruned and repotted this year during early spring in the month of March, and since then I have let it grow. Uh, the tree, the tree is, I believe, 2 years old. I got it from nursery, and then I potted it into bonsai soil, and I've been letting it grow since the operation was pretty major. But I think now is a good time to at least partially reduce the size of the tree. There are many runaway branches that have grown quite a lot. So we will be going ahead and do structural pruning as well as shoot selection. So the primary structure of this tree is still uh, underway. Uh, we are still building the upright structure of the canopy, and this tree gets beautiful purplish pink flowers during late winter, early spring, when the tree drops its leaves and there are only flower buds which bloom. So a rounded umbrella shaped canopy would look nice, and maybe in the future the upright structure would then continue into a cascade. So beginning with the initial pruning, I will firstly prune back all the long shoots such as these, this one, and this one, and bring it back to size so that then we can go ahead and do some refinement to the initial structure. So these will be the primary branches of the tree. Now, I do want to thicken up this branch, and hence I will not be touching this today. And also along with that, this branch I would not touch because I wanted to thicken up a little more. So I would let it grow out a bit more before I cut it back. So first I will, once I go ahead with the pruning, I will cut it back a little long, and then I may come back again and cut it shorter. So here I go. So this, so the main idea is that from the trunk, I want this to be the future leader, although this is the thicker branch for now, but I would like this to be the leader and turn to the apex. So because this flows better, and also it is at the cut point, so it will help heal up the wound. But it's flopping, and hence I think I will need to cut it back. The leaves at the tip of this branch are pretty big, and hence it's pulling down the whole branch. So I think I will cut this one back till here. There, one shoot gone. Then the secondary trunk line. Uh, I have already pruned this quite some time back. So when the shoots erupted out of the cut point, this was the most vigorous shoot that was growing and pulling away all the energy from the other shoots, and hence I had to cut it back sooner. Although I don't have that captured on video, but so now it has sprouted two sub branches, and this is the continuation of this branch, and this would be a side branch. So I will cut this one back now, and there are two good leaf uh, leaves pointing in good direction. So I'll just cut it back to here. Again, I will not cut back this branch just yet. I may let it go for grow for 2 or 3 months more. Maybe we shall see. As it thickens up, I can then come back again and prune this back. Now, for this branch, it is almost as thick as this one, but it's growing laterally and I want some upward flow. And I have two buds, one here and one here, which I can cut back to. So I will just cut it back here. And these orchid tree cuttings can be grown, but I will not try to grow them right now. There is a dead section which I can remove and clean up this area. So now I have a well-defined upper structure. Now for this branch. Now this branch is directly opposite to this one. I already have a nice structure on the left, but not so much on the right hand side. It's a very 2D flat structure that I'm working with. Eventually, as the tree matures, it will create subdivisions and ramifications in all directions, and the canopy will fill in the shape of a dome. But for now, it's very flat and plain. However, I think I will just cut this back and have a look and see. Yeah, I don't really like the position of this one as it is a bar branch, and I do want to keep the one on the right. So I think I will remove this one from here. And for that, I will use my canopy of color. There is an old stub which I can clear off. I think somewhere to here would be good. So pruning back the structure would give this branch a chance to maybe take off and thicken up. eventually, and then I can cut this back for further bifurcation. Now I still feel that this is too high on the tree, and I do have a bud here. So I'm just wondering if I should prune it off shorter so that this then becomes the dominant part of the tree. Yeah, I think I will just cut this one off. Yeah, so now the tree does not look like much, but we did get the initial structure sorted out. We have one division here. I hope that it I hope that a new branch pops out from this point. This branch will get a chance to grow more vigorously now, and then we will cut this one back. I hope I get some subdivisions from this branch, and now it does look fairly upright since the heavy leaves are pruned off. Yeah. So one more problem that I was facing with this tree was that all that foliage was taking up a lot of water, and I was having to water it almost 2 times a day, else it would drop leaves. So yeah, I did need pruning. It has been going for almost 2.5 months now since spring. I did give it a live prune to balance the weather, but today was the first time that I have pruned it back this hard.